Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, pedestrian alert system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.